So determine the force in each member of the class or state if the members are in tension or compression. So here's our example diagram. First, we get the angle. So we have inverse tan times 4/4, then we get the 45 degrees angle. So next, we're going to solve the joint A. So here's our figure diagram. We have FAB and FAB. So we have to solve the FY. So we get the 2 to 5 minus FAB sin 45 equals to 0. So our FAB is 318.20 compressed. Then next is we're going to do the summation of Fx. So our FAB minus the FAB 318.20 cosine 45 equals to 0. So the result is 225 pounds tension. So next we have the joint B. So here is our FBD. We have the FAB 225 pounds. We're going to solve the joint B. So we have FAB, we have 2 to 5 pounds. Then we're going to solve the summation of Fx. So we get the FBC minus 225 equals to 0. So our answer is 225 pounds tension. So our FBD is there is no forces, so this member is equals to 0. The next we have the joint B. Then going to solve the FCD. So we have the summation of Fx equals to 0. Then FCD cosine 45 plus 318.50 cosine 45 minus 450 equals to 0. So our answer is 318.20 tension. So therefore, here is our final diagram. So first we have the ED, point ED. So we have 318.20 compression. So our diagram is compression here. Then next is FAB. So the result is 225 tension. So our diagram is tension. Then the FBC we have is 225 tension. So at joint B we have the FBC. So our answer is 225 pounds. Then tension. Then our FBD is no 0 forces, so we have 0 answer. Then the FCD we have 380.20 here. Then in tension. So that's the answer. So do you have any question?
Angle na 45 degree.
Pagba sa 45 degrees, nangyay for distance na tapos na po yung y-axis na 4 feet na distance. So, pag-solve na rin 45 degrees natin, inverse tan times 4/4. So, pag ato yung calculate mo yung mga solve na 45 degrees.